Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review WP Money Machines by Ankur Shukla. Now, WP Money Machines is releasing today on 2nd of May at 10 a.m. EST. So we are straight onto the sales page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo, the member survey of WP Money Machines. Then I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs, what are the upgrades, what are the benefits of each of those OTOs, what are the pricing point of each of those OTOs, upsells or upgrades of WP Money Machines. And then I'm going to be sharing with you my 42 bonuses which I'm going to be giving you. I have listed all these bonuses right below this video in the description. So before you go to the sales page, make sure to check out the description right below this video to get all those 42 bonuses information, and then you can decide whether to get WP Money Machines through my link or any other affiliate link. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see what is basically WP Money Machines. Okay, so this is basically a WordPress plugin which you can plug in into your WordPress blog, and basically it's going to allow you to monetize your WordPress blog with 20 different methods. Now, what are these 20 different methods? Is the first is banner ads, then your own style text ads, AdSense code, Amazon product ads, eBay ads, AliExpress products, Walmart products, Best Buy and GearBest ads, ClickBank product ads, Incognito product ads, auto inline text, link ads, info links and style HTML ads, viral style image ads, floating CTA plus video ads, top hello bar, info bar ads, a slider call to action ads, and unlimited pop-ups. So there are 20 different ways that you can monetize your WordPress blog using this WP Money Machine WordPress software. Okay, so once you install it on your WordPress blog like a normal plugin, you would be able to click just one button and add all these 20 different methods onto your blog. Okay, now let me show you in a short video how you can do it and what are the benefits of this WP Money Machines WordPress plugin. So let's see.
Courses. Top bloggers do this all the time and they make thousands of dollars by doing that. Hi, my name is Ankur Shukla, and today I am going to show you how you can do the same by adding 20 money machines to your website that can make you up to 20 times more money. If you have a site that's not making you any money, this is exactly what you need. Introducing WP Money Machine. This brand new WordPress plugin adds 20 money machines to your site that can 20x your income without more traffic. Imagine getting paid from sites like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Google, Best Buy, Envato, ClickBank, and many others every single month. Imagine getting payments like this into your account month after month. Imagine not making just $1 or $5 from your site, but hundreds of dollars without worrying about traffic. Yes, all this is possible by adding these 20 money machines to your site. That's exactly what WP Money Machine can do for you. Want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you install the Money Machine plugin on your site, you will see all these money machines inside the plugin. Now, all you have to do is enable these money machines to add more income to your site. AdSense ads, banner ads, text or image ads, floating banner ads, or product cards. Earn commissions from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, Best Buy, GearBest, ClickBank, or Envato. Add inline links, in-text ads, floating call to action buttons, top bar actions, and sliders on the side, or even pop-ups with any content, or even new sticker style ads. All these 20 money machines can make you a lot more money from your site. Want to see each money machine and how it works? Let me show you. Money machine number 1. You can add AdSense ads to your site and show them anywhere in your posts or pages and make money on every click. Money machine number 2. You can add any kind of banner ads or sponsored ads to your site and make money from that. Money machine number 3. You can add your own text ads and make more money from your site. Money machine number 4. You can add your own image ads and get paid more from your site. Money machine number 5. You can promote Amazon products and get paid commissions from Amazon month after month. Money machine number 6. You can recommend products from eBay and get paid commissions from eBay month over month. Money machine number 7, you can earn from AliExpress by recommending products from over 10 million products that they have, and this is very, very popular. Money machine number 8, you can get paid when people buy daily essentials from Walmart and place home delivery orders. Money machine number 9, you can recommend products from Best Buy and earn commissions from all the sales that people buy from bestbuy.com. Money machine number 10, you can earn commissions from Envato by recommending digital products, themes, and graphics. Money machine number 11, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $500 per sale in commissions by recommending products from ClickBank. This pays really, really well. Money machine number 12, you can add your own inline link ads and turn any keywords on your site into offer links and earn commissions from sales. Money machine number 13, you can make money from info links style in-text image ads and promote CPA offers or any kind of affiliate offers using this method. Money machine number 14, you can add floating call to action ads and promote offers, get paid for every click or make money per sale. Money machine number 15, you can add a top bar that promotes offers or helps you build your email list and make more money from that. Money machine number 16, you can add a nice slider like this and promote any offers or run ads for any business this way. Money machine number 17, you can show pop-up ads on your site and get paid for impressions or clicks. Money machine number 18, you can add an amazing news sticker style ad and get paid for this or promote offers using this method. This gets a lot of attention. Money machine number 19, you can add floating banners that float on your site, very prominent, and you can charge a lot more money for this. Money machine number 20, and finally you can add these eCom style product cards that advertise different products and get more sales for any products of your own or even affiliate offers of any site. These are 20 amazing money machines that you can add to your site today, which is not possible to do manually. Only with the money machine plugin you can do this. And you're probably leaving a lot of money on the table by not having these on your site. Even if one money machine adds 10% more income to your site, by adding 20 of these, you will have 200% more income from your site. Now that is amazing. Top bloggers and news sites use many of these money machines to 10x or even 20x their site income. I've added many of these to my own content sites and skyrocketed their income from making $10 per day to over $200 per day. This is how you 20x your income. So all you need to do is download the WP Money Machine plugin from this page today. Add this to your site and start making more money by adding money machines to your websites. If your sites are not making you any money, take action today and download the WP Money Machine plugin from this page.
Okay, so that was the software demo for WP Money Machines. Now let me come straight to the pricing point of the front end as well as some of the features of the OTOs of WP Money Machines. Okay, now the front end is going to be like $17 just on the launch day, that is today, and then the price is going to be rising. Okay, now this is for the single site license, and for unlimited site it's going to be also $17. Okay, so during this launch time or during this first day period, you can get it at the best price possible. Trust me, if you go and search for this product after the launch ends, you have to pay a bit more than what you're going to be paying right now. Okay, so make sure if you're really tight on budget, then make sure to grab this software plugin or the WordPress plugin during this launch time. If possible, you're going to get it on the first day because it's going to be really cheap. Okay, now the first upgrade is going to be Money Machines Pro Unlimited sites with monthly content. Okay, they're going to be awesome features, and this is a recurring. Okay, so it's going to be charged like $27 per month, and the first month it's going to be $37. Okay, now there is a trial for this Pro version which has got all the features. You can try it out for first 7 days for $1, and then if you think it's worth, then you can continue with $29 for 30 days. Okay, now I would not recommend this OTO right now. What OTO I recommend is because what I understand from this, WordPress website software is you need to have backlinks. Okay, basically you have all the tools to monetize your website, but if you don't have traffic coming to your website, then it's of no use. Okay, so with backlinks, you are going to be getting a one push to get ranked higher in the search engines, and actually that will bring you free traffic to your WordPress website blog. Okay, so in my opinion, there is a possibility that these guys have like a 5,000 high authority blog, and they're going to be sending you backlinks from this 5,000 blogs. Okay, so if you want to have backlinks, 5,000 links per month is going to be $27 per month. Also, you can try it out for $1 for the first 7 days, and then it's going to be like $27 for each month. Okay, so I would recommend to try it out for $1. Okay, so if it's working for you, then you can get the recurring one. Okay, great. The next upsell is going to be Money Machines, WP Money Machines Developer License Unlimited. So the developer license unlimited is going to be $47, and then the next upsell is going to be WP Money Machine White Label Unlimited License, which is going to be $297. The last upsell is going to be WP Money Machine Reseller License Unlimited, where you can get paid 100% commission across the entire sales funnel, not 50%. You are going to be getting 100% commission across the entire sales funnel. So this reseller license is going to be at $67. Now, in my opinion, I would only recommend this one, WP Money Machines Unlimited site, because you can use this WordPress plugin on unlimited website. And the next upsell I recommend is Backlinks Pro Trial for 5,000 links per month. That is going to be like $1 trial for 7 days, and then you, if you like it, you can have $27 per month subscription. Okay, so these were the information about the OTOs, upgrades or upsells of WP Money Machines. Okay, so about the bonuses, I have listed over 42 bonuses, including some of the backlink bonuses right below this video, so that it can help you in getting free traffic from Google search engines. So if you want to have to look at these 42 bonuses, make sure to look right below this video. In the description, I have listed all my 42 bonuses, and when you get WP Money Machines through the link right below this video, you are going to be getting access to all my bonuses straight away. Okay, so you don't even have to contact me to get these bonuses. Now, how you can claim these bonuses is when you get WP Money Machines through my link right below this video, you are going to be getting a receipt from the marketplace from where you purchase it. So when you get a receipt, there is going to be a button in that receipt which says affiliate bonus. When you click that button, you will get access to all my 42 bonuses. Okay, if you still have any problem getting my bonuses, please reach out to me on Facebook. Now, my Facebook link is given below in the description. Message me there, and I would see I would verify your payment receipt, and then I'm going to be sending you the bonuses within 12 to 24 hours max. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my WP Money Machines review video. If you have any questions about WP Money Machines, please feel free to comment below and let me know what you think about it, and I would be happy to assist you on that. Okay, either way, thank you and have a great day.